Hello guys, I am IK and thank you for watching my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today we are unboxing another G-Shock. The model number of this G-Shock is GX-56BB-1DR and the module number of this watch is 3221. So inside the box we have a user guide for module number 3221 in multi languages. We have a G-Shock international warranty card as well. So this time a very different black and white tin for G-Shock watch. Let's open the box, and inside the box we have a variant GX-56BB-1DR. So as you can see, a G-Shock in full black color, a shock resist, and the shape of this G-Shock is a square. So a very beautiful, a very unique design. It's very different from the one normally comes in circular or in a circle. So this variant is very nice, and from the look of the watch it looks very tough. So here you can see on the side of the band mud resist, and on the other side it's written shock resist. A very beautiful square shape G-Shock in complete black color. If we talk about the material, then the material is very tough, again a resin band, but from the look we can say it's a very tough watch. Again, if you see on the side of the watch, a rigid circular black buttons on either side, and from the back plate you can see a stainless steel back plate with a model number GX-56BB. And not only that, this time G-Shock has covered this metallic plate with a very tough black plastic cover, so which gives more safety to this watch. Wow, a very beautiful designed watch from Casio-G-Shock. So if you see the details of each and every part of this watch is really very nice and unique. So it comes with 29 time zones, again a mineral glass, a very tough, a 200-meter water resist, and this time it is mud resist as well. So that is why this plastic body on the inner surface has been provided to make this watch more tougher. So very beautiful Very attractive Casio-GShock, as you can see. A very heavy look on your wrist. So I like this watch. It's very nice. All the other features are the standard G-Shock features, which comes in every G-Shock model. Very beautiful, as you can see, from the in and out, from left to right. Very beautiful, very tough, very attractive, nice looking square shape G-Shock. So guys, hope you like our today's unboxing of this G-Shock. So until next time with another variant of G-Shock, signing off. Take care. Bye bye.